What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today's video is we're going to our local meet here in our town, up here in the Yukon. So yeah, it's gonna be like the first like big meet, I guess, for a while. So yeah, let's go down, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me, and hope you guys will enjoy this video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, and share this video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's go and have fun. Let's go meet up with the boys at Tim Hortons. So yeah, let's just see you guys over there. Yo, we just got here at Timmy's, and we have Aaron here, and his WRX right here. This one's crazy good. It's a good car. It's a nice car. It's a what year? What year is this?
2012.
And we're just waiting for Jake with the SDI as well. So.
Tony's coming too.
Tony?
Yeah, with the Golf R.
Oh, sweet. Yeah. So we're just here waiting for others, and we're gonna, well, on the page it says that we're gonna take over Main Street. So yeah, we're just gonna go there and yeah, just go have fun with this cars. So see how it goes. I hope you guys enjoyed that edit from the meet earlier. Look what came in. What is this? Oh, you know what it is. Let's go open this up. Yeah, here we go. We got a brand new clutch for this bad boy, and we're gonna install it soon. So stay tuned. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little edit that we did earlier. That was like we shot down Main Street or something like that. So it was good, it was fun. And yeah, see you guys on my next vlog. And we're gonna install this one, the ACT clutch, on my next vlog. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Peace out and have a good day.